Before we move on to our next performance of the evening, we are thrilled to bring you an extra special performance featuring the Cadence and Chamber Orchestras combined, featuring all of Kempner High School Orchestra's amazing seniors. This selection paints an ethereal picture of our seniors' final chapter at Kempner. We present to you Colors of Home by Alan Lee Silva. Be ready to join us in celebrating the completion of this chapter together.
To switch it up a little, instead of Mrs. Franklin conducting this piece, we will be having our junior chamber violist, Mrs. Shekinah Moranci, as our conductor. Mrs. Franklin will be performing with her seniors, as this is her 4th year as Kempner's orchestra director and her first class to graduate here at Kempner High School. We hope you enjoy.